One of my biggest fears was that people wouldn't actually rock up for the workshop or think it'd be valuable. But actually the booking's gone fantastically well, superseded our expectations really. We hit sort of maximum capacity within the first couple of days. We've hit capacity again for our waiting list, and then we'll run another course actually, another workshop on the same topic. Yeah, I've never done a workshop before. I hadn't really thought about doing one either, to be honest. But yeah, quite apprehensive about it. It's very much a new thing. I'm not typically someone that likes to stand in front of a crowd and chat, but actually it's been really, really positive. So yeah, it's going really well. I'd never really done much marketing before the business. In fact, not really anything at all. I had no social media presence, especially. I think certainly using the Ultimate Workshop machine has been hugely eye-opening. I think one of the reasons why I hadn't done any marketing before was just the idea of what on earth would I write about or talk about, or what people would be interested in. It all just seemed a bit overwhelming to think about creating that content all the time. So certainly using this sort of workshop machine, everything's kind of created for me. The team have been fantastic. They've helped amazingly. They've done loads for me actually. It's taken a huge sort of worry off my mind. It's something that I very much shied away from in the last few years. Obviously it's such a good idea in terms of not just providing a community of help and support for people that live in the local area, but also as a sort of platform really to sort of feed the business as well. And to think now it's not only it's done, but it's rolling out and it's working is great. Obviously the machine is working well, but they've been absolutely brilliant in not just helping me with the content, but getting to know my sort of personality and approach to these messages. I wouldn't have been able to do it without them. It's been great. It's taken a lot of the headache out of it all. Yeah, very grateful. Yeah, so it went really, really well. Numbers wise, we had 9 actually attend. Out of those 9, 3 were currently on treatment or were sort of on a maintenance, which on the back of that masterclass reignited their interests and chose another area of treatment to start or another service to have. So that was great to sort of re-engage them. And then the other 6, they've all since contacted us either on the day or since and have requested discovery visits, and some of which have already converted already. And I was nervous, obviously, of course I was. It's not me, I'm out my comfort zone to sort of just stand there and just speak and deliver. It was very informal. It was really relaxed. You know, it was really nice. So as much as I hate to admit it, I actually really enjoyed it. It went really, really well. I genuinely wouldn't have changed anything about it, which I'm surprised to hear myself saying, but it was great. This is a good leap forward.